Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a massive Dollar Tree haul for you all. I didn't find everything I was looking for today, but I did find some really great things and some stuff that I needed, kind of everyday stuff. So let's get right in and let me show you what I got today. So some of the first things I picked up were I've been looking for more planner stickers, and I had picked up a bunch of these last year. And I love them so much, so I hadn't seen any more recently, and today at my Dollar Tree I saw a bunch of new ones. They are the same kind of layout that they had last year. And you can see they have like really cute stickers here, like coffee date and little birthday cakes, laundry with a little iron. So I thought these were so cute. I love these. I use these in my planner all the time. And there's certain ones that I obviously use all the time, so I was running out and I was really bummed that maybe I wouldn't get these again. So they had a lot of cute ones. Let's see what I found. I think I found maybe 5 different ones. Let's see. Okay, so there's these, and I'll just show you the backs because they have like the cuter little stickers. So there's like a little cupcake and a shopping cart and a car and a plane. What is this one? Oh, like a cute, there's that little coffee cup. So lots of cute stickers here. Another one, I bought 2 of those. Another one that I found, which I showed you before. This one had the birthday cake, the coffee date, the iron, little hearts, just lots of cute stuff. So I picked up those. Let's see, these had little french fries and ice cream. This says study, so if you're in school, these are really good for you. Yeah, these are probably more like college. Quiz, test, laundry. They had the laundry basket last year, which was really cute. Let's see, coffee, sunglasses, the camera. And then on this one, this was really cute. This one looks like it's more vacation geared. So they have the little hot air balloon, this little camper, which is so cute. It says road trip, palm trees, a little station wagon, little Polaroids and the camera, ice cream cones, and the globe. And then on the fronts of all of these, they have, you know, tons of different stickers and banners and stuff. But these are so cute. So I picked up, I think, a total of like 8 of those. So I'm very excited about those, and those should get me through the year. Let's see, another thing I found in the party section, which I wasn't really looking for, they have all those chair covers. They had them at Christmas time, and I'm sure they've had them before for other things, but I'm not sure if these are new. If you've bought these before, just comment down below. But they had these happy birthday chair covers, and they had this one, which was blue, so I got this one for a boy. And then this one has more pink, so for a girl. And you just put them over the back of the chair. And I thought these were so cute because in our house, every time we have someone over for their birthday, or it's my husband's birthday, you know, or anything like that, we try and make it extra special here. And we decorate, and they have a special plate that we use every year and stuff like that. So I thought this would be really cute to pop on the chair of whoever's birthday it is at our house, just for dinner or for whatever. So I got 2 of those, one boy, one girl. Other things I found was these are not new. Everyone's been hauling these. These are the Yes To face masks. I have not bought any of these. I just wasn't really sure I wanted to try them. I don't do a ton of masks, but after watching a couple hauls, I really was interested in the sleeping mask. So this one, I don't even think you have to mix it up. I think it's already in this little pouch, and you apply it, and you can, you know, let it dry a little bit, and then you sleep on it and rinse it off in the morning. And I've heard really good reviews about this one. So this is the ultra hydrating for dry skin, which I definitely have, moisturizing sleep mask. So I decided to pick one of these up and give it a try and see if I like it. So I'll definitely let you all know what I think once I try this one. And I love anything charcoal, so I picked up the clear skin because, oh my gosh, I have like the worst breakouts like around my mouth It's just like hormonal. So like one, you know, right, like once, twice a month, I have like the worst breakouts. So I decided I would give this a try. And this one is a powder to clay mask. And it looks like mixing bowl and spoon included. So you just have to mix it up with water. It gives you all the directions on the back and what you can mix it with. You can use like avocado and honey, which I heard does not work. But a lot of different options if you don't want to mix it with water. So I thought I would give this one a try because I love charcoal products. And I'll let you all know what I think. I saw a lot of people haul the Pond's Pure Detox Facial Foam. I'm always looking for a good face wash, and I was really interested, since it was the charcoal, to give this one a try, and it's a name brand, so I thought that that was a really great deal. This is 3.5 ounces, so I did pick up 2 of them, just in case I do really like them. I'm sure they won't be there forever. So I'm really interested to see how this works. I don't know if it smells. It does not seem to have a smell. It is... it's kind of just, it's gray in color. It's not black, but I'm definitely interested to see how I like this. So I picked up 2 of those. I have not purchased any of the new Bolero products. I just haven't needed any of them, but I love any kind of scrub. So I was looking for the body polish, which they have not had in any of my stores yet. But today I found the facial scrub, and this one is French lavender and citrus. So here is that, and I had not seen this one before. Maybe they have it in all of the other fragrances that they came out with. So if you've tried this product, or you know if they carry it in all of the other fragrances, comment down below and let me know, because I'd definitely be interested. But this was the only one that my store had. So I thought I would definitely give this a try. I love scrubs. So it is sealed, so I can't... let's see. Open this up. Interested to see what it smells like. I didn't smell the other products before, so. Oh, it smells really nice. Yeah, it smells nice. It smells fresh. It smells like, I don't know if I smell too much lavender, but I definitely smell some citrus. So I'm interested to try this. I'll let you guys know how I like this product. So I only picked up one of these. Let's see. I needed more eyeliner, and I always use the LA Colors liquid eyeliner in black. This is my favorite eyeliner, so I picked up another one of these. I did pick up, which I already have it in my hair, I did pick up the hair clips. This came with 2 hair clips, and these are just the claw clips, and they are that, like, you know, rainbow kind of mermaid style. But it actually works pretty well. It's got a pretty good clamp, so I was happy with that. But yeah, the minute I got to my car, I opened this up and put one in my hair. So I picked up some of those. Let's see. I picked up a bunch of gardening stuff today, because in like my last couple hauls, I had picked up some of the spring, like the little flower pots, the little grow sunflowers, and stuff like that that I plan on putting together as gifts as we get closer to spring. So I think everyone had said these were out last year. I don't remember seeing them, but I did pick up several of these. I just thought they were so cute, so I'm going to keep one in our garden on one of our pots, but I'm also going to incorporate these into some gifts that I'm putting together for spring. So I thought that was so cute. They had a frog and a bumblebee and I think a bear and maybe one other one, but I thought the ladybug was so cute, so I picked up several of these. I did pick up these. I picked up 3 of these, and these are what I'm going to use for the gift baskets that I put together with all the gardening stuff. So I picked up 3 of these, so we're going to have some of these in there. I also picked up the gardening kneeling pads. They had these in several different colors. I picked up the ones in purple, but you know, I'm just going to throw some of these in there with a bunch of different gardening stuff and kind of wrap that up. And to go with that purple, I picked up which I actually thought was really nice for $1. It's not super heavy, but it's pretty decent quality. So the handle is wood on these little shovels, and it's got like a foam handle, and then it's got, you know, the metal shovel. So I thought that was really cute. It's a transplanter, they call it. But anyway, so these are going to go in these baskets as well. And then to match all of that, I thought these were so pretty. And of course, this one is missing its hook now. I thought that these were so pretty. So they have all of these different flowers. These were not out last week when I went. So it's got like a little like copper colored center, and they have some blue ones and some of these purple pink ones. And hanging from them is like the little bell or chime. So you can just hang these little wind chimes, and I just thought that these were so pretty, and I thought that these would be a really nice accent for the basket that I put together. So I picked up several of these as well. Let's see. I think that was all of the gardening stuff. I found another one of the self-adhesive stencils. I had hauled a couple of these 1 or 2 videos ago. But I saw this pattern and I really liked this, so I picked this one up. I thought this was just really pretty, so I'm sure I can come up with something to do with this. But these are the self-adhesive stencils, and I really like these, so I'm anxious to give this one a try. As for food, I didn't pick up too much food, but I did see these club cheese bites, and my daughter always needs, you know, little snacks in the car and stuff, so I picked up this. This was a 4-pack. So I thought that was an okay deal. And I picked up more of the freeze-dried peaches. As I mentioned before, my daughter loves these, so we get these almost every time we go to the dollar store. I purchased a bunch of the little bubble mailers, and these are a pretty good size. I'm going to be mailing off a bunch of Valentine's Day gifts, so I thought that these would be perfect for that. I'm sure you can order, you know, a huge pack of them like on Amazon much cheaper, but since I was there, I know $1 is probably a lot cheaper than I would pay either in the post office or like a shipping store, you know. So, I don't know if it says what size these are. If I had to guess, this was like 9 by 12. So that's a pretty good size. So for $1, I picked up like 6 of those. And then I found a bunch of books this time. Not as many as I'd hoped. I see everyone like hauling all these amazing books, and our local Dollar Trees just aren't there yet on stocking of the books. But I have a good friend who's going to be a first-time mommy, so I found this beautiful book. It's a hardcover book, and it's the Book of You, and it says "For My Child with Love," and it is just so sweet. So it's got all these like great questions and stuff that it asks you about experiences. You have probably being pregnant, you know, giving birth, being a first-time mom, and through different phases of the child's life. And you fill in all of these little stories, and you give it to your child. And I just think that's such a beautiful gift. So I picked up one of these for her to go with a basket that I'm putting together, and I just love that. I saw everyone hauling these a while back, and none of my stores had ever had them. So the Christmas Carol coloring book, my store had 4 of them, and of course I bought all 4. But these are so beautiful. It's the Charles Dickens Christmas Carol, a coloring classic, and this is just such a beautiful book. So it's the story, and you can color everything in it. And I think these are going to make such great gifts next year. So I picked up 4 of these, and I just think these are so nice. So for $1, I think that is such a great deal. So I was really excited to find these this time. And I did pick up, it was kind of like a random purchase, but here was a George W. Bush book, and it was written by his son. Or actually, this was George Bush, and this was his son wrote it, George W. Bush. So I know he had just passed away probably just a couple months ago. So I was really excited to find this. My dad is really interested in history and the presidency, and definitely liked President Bush, so I think that this would be an interesting read for him, so I just picked it up. It was obviously $5.97 somewhere on clearance, but this book, I don't see where it retailed for before. Oh, $28 it retailed for. So yeah, for $1, I thought this was great for my dad. This is going to go with a couple other books that I got him. I got him the Bill Geist book as well. So I think for Father's Day, I'll probably give this book to him with the other one that I had purchased. And I think that was it, everyone. I think that is my haul for the day. It's not a ton of new stuff, but there's definitely some good stuff out there. And I'm just so excited for them to kind of completely clear out Christmas and get in all of the new stuff, because I think I still see Christmas stuff lingering around. But anyway, thank you all so much for stopping by my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell notification so that you know when all of my videos come up. And I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Bye.